How to fix call setting error on iPhone. If you're having SIM card error or network error in your iPhone, then to solve this issue, this video is for you. First of all, you need to do force restart your device to solve this issue. To force restart your device, simply press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button. You have to be really quick with this 3 step. Simply press the volume up button, then down, and simply keep pressing the side button. Once you do that, check if your problem is solved or not. If it is still there, then launch your settings on your device. From there, go through the general. There you will see transfer or reset iPhone at the last. Simply tap on it. From here, go through the reset and do reset all settings. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.